कोई भी चीज अगर आप चाहते हो कि सोसाइटी में यू नो वांट टू मेक अ चेंज, राइट, तो you have to be the first person. Gandhiji always says, be the change in the world what you want to see. As per the recent statistics, if you see in 2023 and in 2024, so nearly there has been a 27% increase in investment. Why it is important कि हर लेडी को हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट का डिसीजन लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि पैटर्न चेंज हुआ है कि ओके मैं फेल हुई तो मुझे पूछा जाएगा अरे इसमें क्यों डाला, यहाँ पे क्यों इन्वेस्ट किया, मुझे बताती तो मैं बता देता. So that means what? That today I'm financially strong. I should be financially strong for a lifetime. So always believe my financial freedom in my purse.
Hello everyone, welcome to our show Finance Talk with NN. Today we have Anjali Tari, founder of Secure 360. She is in this industry since last 10 years, over a decade, and she has a clientele base around 500, out of which 300 are female investors. So, welcome Anjali Tari to our show.
Thank you.
So, मुझे आपसे ये सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन आता है कि you have been in this industry since last 10 years, over a decade now. तो आपको क्या इंस्पायर किया to join this finance industry, specifically a woman in finance is something unique, you can say.
So being a woman, I always wanted to empower women in building their finances, in building their investments, having a stronger investment portfolio. So कोई भी चीज अगर आप चाहते हो कि सोसाइटी में want to make a change, right, so you have to be the first person. Gandhiji always says, be the change in the world what you want to see. So though it is a male dominated society, but I have over a period of time I have gained that expertise कि अगर वुमेन्स को जो इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लानिंग खुद के लिए करना चाहिए वो कैसे करना चाहिए और वो खुद से कैसे करे, एक प्रॉपर गाइडेड अप्रोच से कैसे करे. तो अगर आपको किसी फीमेल क्लाइंट का इन्वेस्टमेंट पोर्टफोलियो बनाना है, मे इट बी just now she has completed her education, she wants to plan for her masters and she wants to plan her investments, so yes, I can help her. Those who are already successful in their career and they have reached the age of 30, 35 and now they want to start with their investment journey, so yes, I would be very much happy to build their portfolio in coming next 25 years. Or a senior citizen who has just retired and she wants to plan her investment, so I should be there to guide her for her journey from the age of 60 to 90. So it is like that. So I don't think that though it is a male dominated society, when it comes to a woman's financial planning, right, so I have always had a good experience with all of my clients, may it be male or female.
Okay, but what changes you have seen over a decade? Like पहले female never used to take any financial decisions और उनको finance के related देखते भी नहीं थे, लेकिन now a woman is moving towards their finances, वो calls rate है. आपके हिसाब से क्या changes आए over a decade?
So as per the recent statistics, if you see in 2023 and in 2024, so nearly there has been a 27% increase in AUM of the women investors who have been investing. So there is a 27% growth, what I have seen. And today, a girl who takes her education, who believes that okay fine, she can excel in her career, okay, so she also is now capable to take decision of her investments. हम जनरली सुनते हैं मुलगी शिकली प्रगती झाली, पण ती जी मुलगी शिकली आहे तिने स्वतःचे इन्व्हेस्टमेंट डिसिजन्स पण स्वतः घेता आले पाहिजे, राइट. सो that change is happening. And I really feel blessed that in my last 10 years that I have actually seen that. I've started with the investments of a mother, okay, probably in 2018. And recently, when her daughter graduated, she told me, ki Anjali, now you have to guide her investments.
That's very impressive. ऐसा भी होता है जहाँ पे we still see many females, अगर उनको गोल्ड बाय करना है, उनको ज्वेलरी बाय करना है, या शॉपिंग जाते हैं या ट्रैवल डिसीजंस लेते हैं, they take the calls by their own. बट जब कोई फाइनेंशियल डिसीजन आता है, कोई कहीं इन्वेस्टमेंट का कॉल आता है, they always approach the male person in their family, mostly it's spouse, father or family members, वो खुद से वो कॉल नहीं लेते. What do you think? What is stopping them?
So if you see, na, God has made man and woman. So man is the person who is going to bring everything in the family. So that has we have experienced in the past so many centuries, I would see. And woman is who will take care of the family. Okay.
Right.
So somewhere down the line, if you see 3-4 decades before, this was the thing where only one person of the family used to work. And now if you see, both husband and wife, they are working. They take the same level of education, right? They generally the decision for women has been taken either by their fathers or by spouses. When a father, if he is doing for his daughter, so till the age of 20, he treats her like a princess. Okay, so the moment she gets married, so she thinks ki, okay, fine, my father has been taking care of everything, right from what I should wear, where, in which school I should go, which education I should take, everything was like that. Okay, so it's a little bit of I would say it's an Indian upbringing. So that was very much fine till date. But now when we are excelling in our career, जब हम हमारे सारे डिसीजन ले रहे हैं और ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, जो मैंने लास्ट 10 साल में जो देखा है, इन्वेस्टमेंट वाई इट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट कि हर लेडी को हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट का डिसीजन लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि पैटर्न चेंज हुआ है, हैबिट्स चेंज हुए हैं. आज अगर हम सैलून जाते हैं, वी डोंट माइंड स्पेंडिंग नियरली 10 to 25,000 ओके ऑन दैट. वेकेशन पे जाना है तो वी विल डू शॉपिंग. जाने के पहले, जाने के बाद होटल भी हमें बेस्ट चाहिए, सब कुछ हम खुद से प्लान करते हैं. नाउ इफ यू बिलीव माय पॉलिसी, दैट इज YOLO, you live only once. Okay, so it should be not restricted only to luxury कि ओके फाइन, मुझे गोल्ड ज्वेलरी बाय करना है, मुझे लेटेस्ट ब्रांड बाय करना है, मुझे लेटेस्ट पर्स जो भी है ब्रांडेड वही चाहिए. आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट्स भी ब्रांडेड चाहिए. सो व्हेन यू वांट दैट योर इन्वेस्टमेंट हैज टू बी ब्रांडेड, यू हैव टू बिल्ड इट ऑन योर ओन. नो वन एल्स विल बाय दैट पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड फॉर यू.
राइट.
सो व्हेन यू वांट कि ओके फाइन, आई वांट अ इंटरनेशनल टूर, आई वांट वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कार, आई वांट SUV. एक जमाना था जब हम रेगुलर कार बाय करते थे, और अभी लास्ट 2 साल में अगर आप देखोगे कि कोई भी रेगुलर कार्स जो है वो नहीं बाय करते. दे आर जस्ट गोइंग फॉर SUVs. टाटा का देखो या एनी अदर. ओके, सो व्हाट वी आर ब्रांड स्पेसिफिक. सो ईच वुमेन इन्वेस्टर, आज मैं हमेशा बताती हूँ कि आज हम जो सैलून पे खर्चा करते हैं ना, उतना ही फंड आपको आपके रिटायरमेंट के लिए भी रखना है, इन्वेस्ट करना है, जिससे ये लाइफस्टाइल जो आप एंजॉय कर रहे हैं वो आपके रिटायरमेंट के बाद भी हो.
दैट इज वेरी इंसाइटफुल. सेम ऑन दैट नोट्स, एक फीमेल का इंट्यूशंस बहुत स्ट्रांग होते हैं इन पर्सनल लाइफ. वी से कि एक फीमेल का इंट्यूशन कभी गलत नहीं हो सकता. Can that be applied to financial journey also?
Yes, of course. Why not? Being a female, right from the childhood, she knows what her father likes. She knows what her brother likes. Okay, and what her mother likes. Everything she takes care of. The moment she gets married, she will take care of each and every individual family member, may it be her parents or her in-laws. So when she becomes a mother, she takes care of her child. The child को क्या डाइजेस्ट होता है, क्या खाना देना चाहिए, क्या नहीं चलेगा, ये सब कुछ उसका इंट्यूशन रहता है. राइट. तो जब फैमिली की हेल्थ का ख्याल वो खुद रख सकती है, तो अपना फाइनेंशियल हेल्थ का ख्याल भी वो खुद ही रख सकती है. राइट.
दैट्स राइटली, वेरी राइटली पुट अप. या सेम. बट अगर कोई फाइनेंस इंडस्ट्री से नहीं है, कोई फीमेल फाइनेंस इंडस्ट्री में, मतलब उसने एजुकेशन भी कहीं साइंस से लिया हो, आर्ट से लिया हो, उसको फाइनेंस कभी आया ही नहीं है लाइफ में. इफ शी वांट्स टू लर्न फाइनेंस, इफ शी वांट्स टू स्टार्ट इन्वेस्टिंग और बिल्डिंग हर पोर्टफोलियो, हाउ शुड शी डू दैट?
आपकी शादी हुई है?
नहीं.
ओके, तो आप जब शादी करोगे तो उस चीज की एक्सपीरियंस है आपको?
नो.
यू विल लर्न. ओके, व्हाट एवरीवन लाइक्स इन द फैमिली. So in case of finances, okay, fine, you might be from arts background, science background, commerce background. It's not like that you cannot manage it. हम फेलियर से डरते हैं. ओके, हम ऐसे लगता है कि ओके मैं फेल हुई तो मुझे पूछा जाएगा अरे इसमें क्यों डाला, यहाँ पे क्यों इन्वेस्ट किया, मुझे बताती तो मैं बता देता. सो वी हैव, तो अपब्रिंगिंग और जो सोसाइटी का जो एटमोसफियर रहता है, ओके, सो एट दैट टाइम हमको लगता है कि वी फेल. नो, इन्वेस्टमेंट माइट फेल, बट investment might not fail, strategy might have failed.
Right.
Okay, so whenever you are doing it, do it a proper right guidance, jot down what exactly, when, after how many number of years you need your investment to procure. Women, they know to balance everything, कितना रिस्क लेना है किसी भी चीज में उन्हें बखूबी आता है, right? So it's not like that in from your whichever background या आप कोई भी एज को हो, एंड सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट जितना जल्दी स्टार्ट करोगे. टेक फॉर एग्जांपल 20 years की लड़की है and she has just stepped out of her college. Now she's taking her education, maybe she starts working. आप स्टार्टिंग आपका सैलरी 20,000 भी अगर है तो why not start with your investments. भले जो भी आपकी सैलरी फर्स्ट को आती है उसमें से अगर आपने कुछ आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट पैटर्न बना लिया फ्रॉम योर फर्स्ट सैलरी, टेक माय वर्ड्स दैट मेनी ऑफ माय यंगस्टर क्लाइंट्स दे हैव बिल्ट वेल्थ बाय द एज ऑफ 30. I had one of my client, he was just 27, okay, and he was working in a top industry, but उसका जो सैलरी था ना वो बचता ही नहीं था, और 1 साल के बाद उसकी शादी थी. तो उसने क्या बताया, मैंने उसको बताया कि विद इन 1 year it would be a little bit risk profile I will not give, I will give you a balanced profile. Right. He said whatever Anjali, I just want to save and invest. मुझे हनीमून खुद के पैसे से प्लान करना है. You won't believe in that 1 year that person, he got so much of confidence after I provided that particular fund for the entire year's investment whatever he has done. The moment he was back from honeymoon, he was the person who called me ki Anjali, now let's restructure the portfolio. And that same person, he saw to it that his brother who was 21, his investments he started planning. His wife who was 30, she started the investments plan, and his mother who had received nearly 20 lakhs of rupees and she is 55, she also started her investment plan. So the entire family, you can just imagine, now they have a strong portfolio. So it is not like that you need any background from finance or any such thing. You can start at any age. Just be confident about yourself.
आपके पास, do you have any like success story or a success, a female who successfully achieved her goal and वो देख के आपको ये स्टोरी लाइफ टाइम याद रहेगी, ऐसी काइंड ऑफ कोई स्टोरी होगी आपके 10 years के जर्नी में?
Of course, I have multiple. So here I would like to share one of my clients' case study, you would rather say, wherein she started the investment nearly 10 years back. Okay, so recently last year she bought her own house, okay, from her investments with me. Now this female, no, जनरली आप जब पोर्टफोलियो बनाते हो, ओके, एक ट्रस्ट फैक्टर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है बिटवीन द क्लाइंट एज वेल एज विथ मी, ओके, बिकॉज देयर कैन बी रिस्क, यस, नॉट कंपेयर टू रिटर्न्स. ओके, आई ऑलवेज टेल माय क्लाइंट कि आपका पोर्टफोलियो बनेगा जब आप गोल ओरिएंटेड पोर्टफोलियो बनाओ. ओके, सो आई फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफाई द गोल्स ऑफ माय क्लाइंट कि आपको शॉर्ट टर्म में कहाँ पे पैसा लगने वाला है, रादर कि कहाँ पे इन्वेस्ट करना है वो बाद में आएगा. First of all कि चलो, now this female, she has a mother whose health insurance she is taking care of, okay, then she has her sufficient life insurance. तो सबसे पहले तो ये गोल उनका बना कि उनका लाइफ इंश्योरेंस का अगर प्रीमियम्स आता है, ओके, तो कैसे भरेंगे, क्योंकि शी इज अ सैलरीड पर्सन. ओके, सो देन आई एडवाइज्ड हर कि आपका जो भी एनुअल हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम होगा उसको आप मंथली इन्वेस्टमेंट कीजिए, ताकि when you will have to pay the premium, you can just liquidate that investment and pay off the premium. So this will be a lifetime investment habit.
Right.
Second is, suppose if she wants to go on a vacation, again she does her annual investment and every year she is going on vacation. When she goes on vacation, she literally messages me that Anjali, I could enjoy this vacation just because of you. Okay, so I just feel कि okay, this is just my trust over a period of time what I have done. Last year, as I said, when she bought a house, Okay, so that was my literally that I could satisfy her dream house, and just because of planning, doing the right kind of investment with specific time horizon, and she has also planned for her retirement. See, retirement generally we see कि okay अभी तो बहुत टाइम है. जब मैंने उनका पोर्टफोलियो बनाना स्टार्ट किया, she was hardly 30. Today she is 40, but she has provided for her life insurance premium, her health insurance premiums, her children education. जो annual, if you see nowadays the school education itself is a costlier affair,
Yes.
right? So in that जो annual fees 5 lakh 6 lakh भरने आती है, तो वो भी उनका plan होता है. So for that also she is doing every month investment. So everything is being taken care of. Just as I say that we all should be secured completely. Okay. So she has everything in her investment basket with me, and she refers to each and every woman friend of hers to me. Ki Anjali, you should meet this girl, yeah, this cousin of mine, and just guide her the way you have built my portfolio.
Just while you are talking, you mentioned about life insurance, health insurance. What do you think? Does this play a major role in her life? She should have a health insurance, life insurance, or any kind of other insurance. On top of that, why and how much she should have?
See, what happens generally, people invest in different investment basket, but we are in continuous trainings. Okay, so there when we see our investments should be just like a pyramid, financial pyramid. So investments हम कैसे करते हैं? हम जब रैंडमली करते हैं तो हम हर एक चीज के लिए प्रोविजन नहीं करते. हम खाना खाते हैं, खाने के थाली में दाल चावल सब्जी अचार सैलेड सब होता है,
राइट.
सपोज अगर मुझे गुलाब जामुन पसंद है और मैं खाना जो भी खा रही हूँ सिर्फ गुलाब जामुन खाऊं तो चलेगा? नहीं, मेरा शुगर हाई हो जाएगा, राइट? सो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट. इन द सेम वे in our financial pyramid, whenever we are starting the investments, हमारा सबसे पहले important होता है for each and every woman हमारा लाइफ इंश्योरेंस होना चाहिए, जो आगे जाके हमें रिटायरमेंट पे कुछ गारंटीड इन्वेस्टमेंट्स रिटर्न्स मिले. सेकेंड, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस. हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस सपोज अगर कोई 20 ईयर्स की लड़की है, राइट, या 30 ईयर्स की लड़की है, वो अगर सोचेगी नहीं हम माई फादर हैज डन, माई हस्बैंड हैज डन, और माई एम्प्लॉयर हैज डन, ओके, सो इन दैट सिनेरियो दे आर समटाइम्स नॉट अवेयर कि हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस कितना है. 3 लाख का 5 लाख का हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस होगा, ओके. अगर एम्प्लॉयर इंश्योरेंस है, आपने जॉब स्विच किया, सो again you are without, and that I have personally experienced during pandemic. Many of the people have lost their jobs. Yes. Okay, so during that particular time they were without health insurance. So women's के लिए क्यों health insurance important है? मेरे लास्ट 10 साल के करियर में I have seen कि at least 5 to 7 women were diagnosed with cancer, breast cancer, cervical cancer. So at that time when they were in their 40s, there is one example wherein that client was going through a divorce procedure. She is having a 9 years daughter, and when she has turned 40 and she is going through all that, so and if she is not having health insurance, then what would have happened? But all the money will be gone. Yeah, so हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस आप ये मत सोचो कि मुझे कोई और कवर करेगा, आपको खुद को कवर करना है, और ना कि सिर्फ कवर करना है आपका पर्सनल एक्सीडेंट, आपका लाइफ इंश्योरेंस, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, क्रिटिकल इलनेस, एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू टेक विथ अ साइजेबल अमाउंट. आपका बेस प्लान कम से कम 20 लाख का होना चाहिए, टॉपअप कवर होना चाहिए 1 crore का विथ ग्लोबल कवर. ऑल दिस थिंग्स, सी दिस थिंग्स आर नॉट डिफिकल्ट, बट यू कैन take a proper guidance, and you need to plan your health insurance on your own, not dependent on someone else.
So it was a very good session, I can say, but I want some notes from you कि हमारे viewers जो ये video देखेंगे, कि one message for them कि a female, why should she start investment, when should she start, and how she should go ahead.
So my advice to all the female investors, to the young girls would be, I always believe that my financial freedom in my purse. Whatever I want to buy today, when I'm 20 or I'm at 40 or I'm at 60. I should be able to buy only from my purse. So that means what? That today I'm financially strong, I should be financially strong for a lifetime. So always believe my financial freedom in my purse.
That was a good line to end the video, but I would also like कि एक कुछ ऐसा चीज जो उन लोग याद रहे कि बाबा ये चीज ये वीडियो से मिला है, वो उनके माइंड में स्टिक रहे.
So as I would say, girls, you can take charge of your finances just like you are taking charge of your family and your career.
Thank you so much, Anjali Tari, for joining us for Finance Talk with NN and taking out your valuable time. I hope this helps our viewers to take some finance notes or tips from it.
Yeah, it was my pleasure.
Thank you. Thanks for watching Finance Talk with NN. Stay tuned for episode 3. Do like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.